Should I get a dog?
What do you want? That was a good one.
Gotta get you clean. Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you. Are you good?
I need my jacket.
That's a big one.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
You're adopted.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
Joey. ¿Será que
Hey.
Uga.
The freaking counters. Augustus, calm down. Mommy's.
Oh! Fuck!
Green tomatoes and sweet right out.
Oh my god.
Well, I think we're starting.
Yo. Oh.
Jump! Come on! Whoa!
Don't do that.
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei os dois.
Come here.
You bloody!
아이고 저거. Ow.
Oh, it's cold.
Only love can hurt like this.
She was a fairy.
Come on.
What? Is your food bowl empty?
You are a fox. Phony.
Sailor.
How's motherhood treating you?
Very stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person that goes that does it for them.
What's that so hard? Well, why is it?
Nothing there. What's wrong with
Ripley. In there, show it to me. Show it to me.
What on earth is going on?
Ah, 不好意思。
你那个对。
Hoş geldin.
Stop. Stop it.
What's going on, man?
Yeah. That's...
What kind of bees produce milk, Kermit?
What's going on, man?
Whoa!
Para, filha da puta, de arranhar meu sofá, desgraçado. 3.
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was...
Just hugging him, man.